Namaskara. In this video, I would like to explain you about how to change the first name and the last name in the Edmodo. So basically, you can't use the Edmodo app for this purpose. How can I do this is by using a normal browser. It might be a Chrome browser or a Mozilla Firefox browser or any other browser that is available in your cell phone or in your desktop PC. So what you can do is basically go to a browser and there type in edmodo.com, which will be taking you to the Edmodo website, wherein here on the top right corner, if you're using your cell phone, you can just click on login. Once you click on login, it will be asking you for your credentials. So what I can do is I'll be typing my credentials in. So you can use your credentials. So once I have given my username and the password, I'll be logging in. So after logging in, it will be taking me to the basic page of the class, wherein on the top left corner you can see the avatar. If you have added a profile picture, you can see your profile picture over here. Here I have not added any profile picture, so it is just showing me a blank. Click on it, wherein you will be getting something called as profile, PSE, Microsoft Office settings and all. Therein you can go and click on settings. Once you click on settings, you will see something called as personal information. So in this personal information tab, just go below. Therein you can see your username as well as a first name and last name. Here I would like to change my first name all to capital. So what I do is I just select that and I just click on this. So once I have changed this particular first name and last name, on the bottom left corner there you have save changes. Click on save changes. It will again ask you to verify your authenticity. There you can just verify it by providing your password. Once I confirm it, it will just update the first name and last name, and it will give you a acknowledgement stating that it has been successfully updated. So your settings have been saved.